Hello, this is another podcast video on orthotic materials. Direct Orthotics, which is located in Tustin and Riverside, California, is a manufacturer of handmade, custom, bioengineered orthotics. We use the highest quality materials for top covers and repairs that you can buy, simply because we have a solid reputation that's been 47 years old, and we've made probably in excess of 3 million pairs of orthotics in that period of time. And so we use, on shells, we use stress-induced polypropylene, which is treated under high pressure and thermal forming to maximize the mechanical integrity of the plastic with a high memory content so that it doesn't break down. All of our materials are all medical grade and are all handmade in a production laboratory that's been in business for a very long time. So my challenge to you is to check out the website Digital Orthotics, which is for medical, and Direct Orthotics, which is for consumers, and you'll see a full explanation of all products, all services, and if you have any questions, you can call and get more information.